This is our first real rain video, and you can see how rednecks live. We have all the laundry under the awning. It's still beautiful and hot. And here's my baby. You can see her the first time. Woohoo! Meet Eleanor. Folks, we have the backhoe. I don't know how you're gonna hear me. He's filling up that trench so he can come in, and then when he's done with everything, he's gonna dig it out again. Right now he has to come in, so I'm gonna record every single step right now. Folks, you can see the difference between the colors. We have the red and we have the white. This white is like cement or the caliche. You remember when we were digging these tanks and there were those huge, very tough rocks, so we broke them apart, and this is the caliche. Because we want to plant a lot of plants here, the caliche is not really good for planting at all. So I was telling him to try to put the caliche in the very bottom of the trenches and the top with that red dirt. And the red dirt, actually, look at this. We are using this pipe for the washing machine and draining the washing machine water right here, and look at that, how green it is. I had to fill up the trenches with sand again because it was raining last night. It was a heavy rain, and some parts it washed the sand away. You know, I think I have a rock addiction. Not music, but those big rocks. I just love them. I just want to go down and grab them. You know, I know it sounds crazy, but I just love those big rocks. You see how many of them I already collect. I like to use them for landscaping, putting them around a palm tree. But there's my beautiful wife. Hey, babe! Oh yeah, don't make a meme out of me. I love rocks. Oh man, I can't believe finally here we are finally reaching that point that we're gonna be flat. We've been flat before, flat broke. It's a little bit tricky here because we have the RV, so he cannot really maneuver, but he's doing a good job, looks like. It's a little bit too high here, so he has to take off some dirt, and it's too high here too because the level is gonna be this concrete. You can see this concrete line. and he even have to go lower than this because we will fill it up with gravel. You can see it's higher. I don't know if you can see. And that part is lower, you can see. So this is actually the actual level that has to be. We are not where the RV is. Later on we're gonna use this dirt to fill up these trenches. Looking a lot better already. I'm here to pick up the bigger rocks. Yeah, and I'm communicating with him. He's still asking questions, but that's very good. If there's a big one, I just pick it up and I'm collecting them. It's a lot easier to flatten the ground if there's no big boulders. And he actually, when he filled the hole, the trenches, he's going over and over. Back it, you can see actually where it goes, and he packs some more dirt on it. Still a lot of dirt. It's a lot of excess dirt. Phew, guys, I'm about to pass out. It's like 100, 102 today, like 40 degrees. I'm collecting rocks. You see all these in the back. Big ones, so it's easier for him to flat the ground. He's bringing everything here in the back right now from the front. It looks so much bigger now. I just saw Arturo. He's taking care of the neighbor's property. I just invited him for a beer. We're almost done. Just have to do the leach fields, make them a little bit deeper. And he took some dirt off here too. There he goes. Arturo! We're doing the leach field right now. You know, I have to dig it deeper because it wasn't leveled. So the problem is, you can guess. Yep, caliche. Caliche. Seems like I have to go down and break it by hand. Beautiful. the septic tank. He's digging the line for the leach field, the drainage pipeline, so I don't have to dig it by hand. The rest is pretty much done. We had a big failure with the leach fields because there's caliche rocks all over the place, so I'm gonna have to hire a crew actually to dig it out by hand. You can see that we have bumps, and yeah, that's just a headache. Anyway, I'm glad that the rest is done. It's 3:30. The backhoe just left after having a few beers and talk. I have this ditch I got for the laundry room. Still have to do it by hand here. Anyway, most of the leveling is done. I think I'm just gonna go eat and hit the sack because the sun is just beating down so hard to breathe. Oh yeah, we got a new trash can, by the way. Real Mexican style trash can. I love it. She'll have over here too. So it's if it was redneck before, well, it's redneck, more redneck now. Look at that. And he dug out this here for the leach field. This is actually the drainage that comes from septic tank to the leach field. Alright folks, talk to you later. Well, look how wide this space is gonna be here. VIP.